Welcome, gentlemen, to another meeting of DIY Anonymous. Let's remember our motto. Just because you own a wrench doesn't mean you should use it.
Hi, I'm Carl.
Hi, Carl. What brings you to the group today?
Last weekend, I tried to fix the toilet. Again.
You didn't call anyone?
Nope. Watched a 7-minute YouTube video. 15 gallons on the floor and my wife Googling annulment.
It's okay, man. I still hear the dripping. Even in my dreams.
I'm not calling anyone. My house, my rules, my toolbox.
That's what I thought too. Until I met AA Quick. Fast, affordable, no attitude.
We encourage professional help here, especially from your local plumbing pros. AA Quick, trusted since 1969.
Trusted by who?
My wife, my kids, my dog, they all trust AA Quick more than me now. My wife, my kids, my dog,